Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Hello friends, come sing along. Let's meet animals in our song. On the farm, both big and small, let's learn their sounds, we'll hear them all. The cow says moo moo moo, soft and gentle, calling you. On the farm she chews all day. Moo 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 is what she'll say. The duck goes quack, 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 waddling by the pond out back. Splish, splash, water swims so free. Quack, quack, quack with glee. The pig says oink, 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 rolling in the mud. Boink, 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 happy piggies play around. Oink, 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 what a sound. The horse goes neigh, 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 gallops fast across the hay. Strong and proud he runs with cheer. Neigh, 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 we hear. Here! Moo, quack, oink, and neighs. Animals sing and play all day. Fun farm sounds, come sing along with farmers' animal songs. Yeah! Good night, farm, the day is done. Thank you, animals, it was fun. Moo, quack, oink, neigh so slow. Time to sleep, soft dreams will grow.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.